Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I have the roof vent fan, and this is not a normal roof vent fan. This is one of those exhaust blowers. So this is a G&C System buy, it says. Technically, I think this is a fake like maxi fan. If you can see here, that's all you get is one big ass fan at the back with G&C Systems on it. Obviously, I'm not going to power up today, but it seems smooth. The bearings and that seem good. The plastic's really quite a bit of weight there, actually. Obviously, it's got an engine thing in it, like a magnet. So, and then you've got the plastic. I don't think this will get brittle for a long time. This is quite strong, really strong. The only thing is they don't put the they do put the holes in, but like you have to drill them out. You know what I mean? So drill out the holes. And yeah, you should be good to go. Stick that on the roof. You've got a little water mount. But if you cut holes, guys, as I said, always hammerite it or use some kind of rust, sealer. And there's the vent what goes up the top. Same thing. And you've got no holes, pre-holes. Well, it's got the hoops, but you know what I mean. You just drill them out. And I've got a switch. You get this without the switch for 79 quid. With the switch for £109, and I think this is a three-way switch, so it should be on, I think on, off, and then reverse, I think, something like that maybe. So obviously it blows out your hot air and it blows in, whatever you want, to be honest. Press China. So 25 amps, 12 volt DC, on, off, and on. Yep, so I think that's reverse. Yep. And that's it, guys. So my next video, I'll be putting this in, installing it, and give you a review and tell you the sound of it and stuff like that. And obviously this is the instructions. Pretty simple, to be honest. Pretty simple. You've got a three-way switch. You can have it as a switch, just on and off. A speed controller. Obviously you can add a speed controller to it if you want. And that's about it. Obviously the thing is made in the Netherlands, so it's according to this. Let me see if I can find the what's it called, the decibels. The decibels don't tell you on here. All it's telling you use adhesive, drill 8 holes in the roof and stuff like that. Okay, don't tell you the decibels on this letter, but my next video I will show you. Make a 230mm opening in the roof. Okay. So guys, Hobbies and Gadgets signing out. And this will be the next project. Peace.